Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in for a new video. Thank you, everyone, for your support. I really do appreciate everything that you're doing for me and my channel. Tonight, I am going to be doing a wand pour. First, the first time I saw it was from Fiona Art, but then Nate Bright did one, Mina did one, Sarah did one. So I thought I would give it a try. So this is actually my second try. The first try actually came out pretty decent, but it came out with a very, very hard line. So I want to go and try and do something else. So I'll get you down on the canvas. We'll talk about the canvas size. We'll talk about the colors. I'll be right back. All right, kiddos. So let's talk about what we're doing today. We are going to do a ring pour over top of the magic wand. The colors I'm using today are going to be Arteza's Burnt Umber. My paints are mixed with Daler and Rowney's Gloss Medium. This stuff is very, very thick. So what I did was I put 3 ounces of the Gloss Medium in a 16-ounce cup. And I put 1.5 ounces of the Arteza paint. And then the rest is Floetrol and a little bit of water. So this is making a mound on top of a mound and sinking back in itself. The Deco Art 24 karat gold. Again, I used 3 ounces of the Gloss Medium, but I used 3 ounces of the gold because of the thinness of the gold after it mixes with the Floetrol. Just a tad bit of water. These paints are super, super thick. This is my white, and this is Deco Art Pearl and Arteza Titanium White. And so this is 3 ounces of the Gloss Medium, 1.5 ounces of the Titanium, and 1.5 ounces of the Pearl. And then my last color is Amsterdam Oxide Black. Again, 3 ounces of the pouring medium, Gloss Medium, to 1.5 ounces of the black. And then again, everything's filled up with the Floetrol. I'm using some table scrapes, which I've already kind of glossed over my canvas. This is an older canvas that was scraped. I never painted over top of, so I went ahead and repurposed it. So this is a little thick. So I am going to thin this out just a little bit. So this is a 24 by 24 gallery wrap canvas. We're going to need about 21 ounces of paint. I'm going to be doing a split cup. My split cup is 16 ounces. So I'm going to need 16 and then another 5 ounces. So I think what I'm going to do is fill this sucker all the way up. And then we'll just refill her up. So we'll do 2 pours across the canvas. We're going to move this out of the way, and then we'll get started. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the dark colors on the outside chambers and the 2 light colors on the inside. So it's going to be black and brown, and we're going to do white and gold. I don't want to put my gold next to my black, because sometimes, well, not sometimes, all the time, when the gold hits that black, it will make green. And I don't want that to happen if I can help it. So let's fill this bad boy up. Black there. White. So what I'm gonna do is I've got my pole here, right in the middle of the canvas. And I'm going to pour over top of it in a ring pour halfway or a little more, and then I'll finish it off with another cup. We're gonna go from the outside in with a ring pour. Okay, now we're going to start over here and work our way back. All right, now I'm gonna leave this alone for a few minutes and allow the paint to slide off of the pole. Okay, now while the paint is still settling, we're gonna go ahead and apply the flow extender. Okay, now that we've got enough paint on here, we've allowed all the paint to slide off of here. We're going to pull up the wand. Put that to the side. So I think what I want to do is I'm going to wreck this. Okay, let's torch this. All right, so what we want to do is find where the weight of the paint is, which looks like it's going to be right about here the most. So let's tilt down a little bit. I am going to clean up the edges, scrape, and then I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, I'll let you guys see this dry. I'll be right back. All right, here's the dried result. This really came out cool. I'm glad I did the rect line because I didn't want such a hard line going through the center of this. Of course, I also turned it different directions from the way that I laid the pole because the composition, I think, like this looks much better. Lots of gold. The gold really took over, which I knew it would because that's what gold does. But I love the hints of black that got through there. I think I would have liked a little bit more black in there, but that's okay. Now I know what to do maybe for the next time with the split cup. I love working with the split cup. I want to get a bigger split cup that's got more chambers on it because mine's only got 4 chambers. So, all right, guys, I'll bring you in here for a close-up. All right, that's going to do it for this video today. I thank everyone for watching. Thank you for your support, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.